Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate photos on your Android. It's very simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Play Store. Or App Store depending on your device, and in the search bar, just simply search for this file by Google, and you have to download this application here. After downloading, just tap on this open here and then tap on these three bars in the top left corner here, and you will see these options. So you have to tap on this clean here, and now you can see delete duplicates. You can tap on this delete duplicates or select files, and you can easily select your duplicate photos or videos from here. Now as you can see, these are some of duplicate photos or videos of mine, so I can select one of them like this. So as you can see, these are some of duplicates. You can select one of them here like this and like this, and then you can simply tap on this move file to trash, tap on it again, and that's pretty much it. That's how to delete duplicate photos or videos from Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.